And this place right here, the big Timber Waterslides in Montana, it's one of those spots where every time we're driving by, my wife asks, "Is today the day? Are you gonna fly it?" And I go, we'll get it next time. We'll get it next time. And then Jeff and Adam were looking for a cool spot to fly, so I brought them up here today, and I'm so glad I did, because when we were getting permission to fly it, I found out that this place is scheduled to be completely torn down on Friday. It's already partway torn down, but at least there's something left to fly. So
this place
I'm
is
gonna.
dope, dude.
You like it?
So many times that when I was hanging out with Christina a lot. Me, Christina, we'd pick up Jeff, we'd pick up the Peacock Brothers, and jump in the car and drive 3 hours and get somewhere, and it's all, and we flew it just, a couple weeks before.
Yeah.
So bandos, man, are just that. That's why I think I like flying them so much. It ain't just the risk factor of flying them, man. It's like, are you going to be the last pilot?
It's a part of history, and I don't know, I'm a huge history buff, so something like this is especially part of my history growing up as a child, and it's like, I don't know if anybody's ever hit this with an FPV before, but I mean, we'll be the last ones to ever hit it.
Yeah.
Not gonna be on my deathbed, knowing I'll be buried in regret. Thinking about the things I never did while I'm taking my last breath. No need to fear the end, 'cause I'll know I didn't just live. When I die, I'll know I didn't just live. How was I alive? I'll know I didn't just live. How was I alive? Not gonna be on my deathbed, wondering why I was always scared. To say those words I never said.
Yeah, that one in between the tower and the branch is crazy tight. As much as I want to, I'm not following you through there.
Really not that tight.